Real estate math, plug it in. Learn fast with Faye's formulas. Faye Rogers Taylor. Today we're going to review sell a net. Do you know your formula for sell a net? If you do not, you need to stop a moment and memorize. For sell a net, you have three pluses. You have your bottom line. The first plus, loan payoff. Second, miscellaneous in parentheses, closing cost. And the third, plus net. Plus, plus, plus. You write down your three pluses and then put the words beside them. And then you have your word total. And then you have divided by, and the brackets would be 100% minus your percent of commission. Then you go back, after you total these, you put your total under the total, divided by whatever your 100% minus your percent would be, which we're going to do a problem and you'll see. It comes out with a percentage. Your total divided by percentage equals must sell house for. You must memorize this for your sell a net. For this question, you memorize what should be the selling price of the home. What should be the selling price of the home? Automatically, you would think in your mind, sell a net. Plus, plus, plus. Loan payoff, miscellaneous, parentheses, closing cost, net, bottom line, total, divided by brackets, 100% minus percent commission, and then you would know this would come out with a percent, total divided by the percent. Now let's do a problem. And then let's see if we can put down what we know from our formula. First, we know that on your paper you're going to put three pluses for what would be the selling price of the home, or the net for the seller. And if you concentrate really hard, you remember which ones these are after you look at them and memorize them. The first one is the loan payoff. The second one would be your miscellaneous. Parentheses, that would include the closing cost. And then the last one would be the net. And you notice for what would be the selling price of the home, all pluses to start with, and then your total. And make your line that you can put your total on. And then you have a division sign as your next sign for sell a net, or what would be the selling price of the home. And then parentheses, you would put your 100% minus your percent of commission. And when you work out this bracket, you would come out with a percent. And it would be the total divided by the percent equals must sell home for. Now let's look at a problem. Jeff wants to clear $200,000, and that's what is selling net he wants. He wants to sell his home for. That's how much he wants to clear after selling his home. From the sale of his house after paying closing cost of $1,800 and has agreed to pay the agent a 6% commission, there's an existing loan of $12,000 to be paid off also. So now let's go back and see. He wants to clear $200,000 from the sale of his house, and the closing cost are $1,800. So let's put the closing cost to $1,800. And go back in your problem. It says that next there is an existing loan of $12,000. So the loan payoff $12,000. And you would say, then what is the net then? He wants to clear $200,000. So that is his net. He wants the net. If it says he wants to clear it, that is the amount of the net. So it's $200,000. And you add all these together and you come out with a total. And then in your problem, you also have the amount of commission is 6%. We know 100% minus 6% will give you a percentage. So that you would come out with the total. These numbers added together, total divided by, in parentheses, 100% minus 6%, which would be 94%. So your total would be divided by 94%, and that would give you your answer, must sell the home for, or the net of the seller. I hope that you will continue memorizing your formula, plus, for what should be the selling price of the home. Memorize your question, memorize your formula, plus, loan payoff, plus miscellaneous closing costs, plus net, total divided by 100% minus your percent of commission. And when you divide the total divided by what you come out with the percent, you would come out with must sell house for. Please continue memorizing your formulas.